watched a YouTube video of that 40-year guy, and he made a homemade Alfredo sauce. So that's what I'm going to do tonight, except mine is going to be a little bit different. I have the multicolored pasta. I have a little bit of the pasta water here. I diced up some tomatoes and parsley. You can't see it, but I got some shredded chicken. And then we're going to add the Parmesan sauce. So what he did was he got a melted room temperature stick of butter, and he mashed it down. And then he added his pasta, and I don't think I'm going to use all of this. I made extra because my son likes this pasta, but he eats it plain. So I wanted to make sure I had enough for him. All right, that should be plenty. All right, and then what he did was he added a little bit of the pasta water to help melt the butter. So he mixed everything together. And then he said he likes cheese as much as I do, so he added a lot of Parmesan. So hopefully it will all melt. Make a nice sauce. Yeah, it actually is melting pretty nice. Might use a little bit of water, a little bit more. And I'll go ahead and add my shredded chicken. Oops, well, if the dogs were here, they'd be all over that. And I'll add my tomatoes. This is looking really good. Top it off with my parsley. And that's all there is to it. So I've cleaned my mess and I made my bowl. Look how good that looks. Oh, I can't wait. But first, more cheese. I bought an Italian style shredded lamb, and I'm going to add some of that to the top. Trying to get a tomato. Oh, got one. Okay. Dude, that's good. I'm never buying store-bought Alfredo sauce again. You gotta try this.